Introducing Floorseal Porcelain Patio Spring Clean, the fast, effective and easy way for DIY users to restore outdoor porcelain tiles. It removes dirt, grime, algae and organic growth, leaving your patio looking fresh and like new again. Suitable for all external porcelain paving, it's ideal for both routine cleaning and seasonal refreshes. Before starting, read the technical data sheet and test on a small, inconspicuous area. Sweep the surface to remove any loose debris. Pre-wet the area with clean water. Dilute the product at a ratio of 1:3. Then apply evenly using a watering can or pump-up sprayer. Work the solution in with a stiff brush, focusing on heavily soiled areas, and keep the surface wet throughout. Allow the product to dwell for around 15 minutes. For stubborn stains, such as heavy leaf staining, extend the dwell time. Do not let the product dry. On warm days, add more water to keep the surface damp. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. A pressure washer can be used, but a hose and brush will also give great results. Repeat if required for heavily soiled areas, then allow the surface to dry fully before use. Floorseal Porcelain Patio Spring Clean, a simple way to bring your patio back to life, ready for summer, barbecues and time outdoors.